Hi, Justin here. I'm just going to show you guys a program that I really like to use with my kids. It's great for reviews. It's called Kahoot. Many of you have probably seen it before, but if not, I'm just going to try to sum it up real quick and walk you through how to create one and how to use it. So first off, if you hit Discover and type in here, you can search for Kahoots that other people have made. So if I was doing a unit on Greece, let's say ancient Greece, these are all Kahoots that are already pre-made for you. Click on one and it will give you the questions, and you can also look at the answers. All right, check mark means it's the correct answer, X means incorrect. You can see how many people have favorited it, how many times it's been played. Yeah, it's pretty easy to use. We'll kind of walk through that a little bit more later. So let's create one now. There's 3 different things you can choose. You can choose a quiz, a jumble, or a survey. I've used survey once. It was all right. I have not used jumble, and I've used quiz every unit that I do. So let's create a quiz. All right, so the title, I'm just going to call it test quiz. Oh, quiz. AP 800. Oh. Okay, I will upload an image. If you look down here, it says credit sources or resources. There's nothing. Now I'm just going to choose the space shuttle launching, and it automatically cites that source. You can also insert videos. You can see who gets to see the video. You can make it just you or everyone. You can change language. All pretty easy stuff. All right, so now is where you actually create the quiz. So you can import a spreadsheet. I don't normally do that. I just kind of type it in because it's nice and simple. So questions, you can type as many questions as you want. We'll start off with this one. What is my name? Okay, you can change the amount of time students have to answer. So 5 seconds up to 2 minutes. I'll give them 5 seconds because it's a quick question. You can award points or not. Simple questions like this, I probably would not, but we'll leave it up just for the video. Okay, so images, why not be a fat cat? Okay, answers, you have to put at least 2 answers in. I'll put the first answer as the correct answer and the second answer as the incorrect answer. Now, you have to select one at least that is correct. So if I select this one, it's green. That means it's the correct answer. Now I can make multiple answers correct, but for this question, we don't need to. Resource for that picture is credited right here. And then we hit next. Okay, so this is the first question. If you want to go back and edit it, you can edit here. You can duplicate the question. So there we go. It's, oh no, I made another question that's the exact same. I want to throw that away. So I hit delete and okay, and it's deleted. Now, when your students, let's go ahead and save this. When your students go to play, so you can edit it, go back and edit, you can play it, or you can share the link to other teachers. Let's hit play. On the student's computer, they are going to see a different screen. The screen they see has or asks them for a game pin. So they have to go to kahoot.it, as you can see right up here in this white box, or they can use the Kahoot app. Kahoot's awesome because it works on all different kinds of platforms. You can use it on a Chromebook, MacBook Pro, cell phone, tablet, you name it. I haven't had any issues with using it on any devices so far. Now this game pin, when your students get to the kahoot.it, this is the game pin they'll enter. So it's 590324. When they hit enter, it'll ask them to put in a name. Now if you're watching this screen, I'm going to enter my name and hit OK, and you'll see me pop up down here. Now, if I do not like that name, all I have to do is click on it, and it goes away. I'm okay with that one, so we're going to go ahead and hit start. There is some annoying music, but it actually does get the kids more involved. So this would be displayed on your board. What is my name? and students will click on the color that corresponds to the correct answer. In this case, it was Justin. It shows that one person answered and they got it correct. If there were, let's say, 20 people answering and 18 got it correct, it would show 18 here, and then let's say one of them clicked on this, it'd say 1, and if one person did not click, they would not be shown. You can go back and look at the media, so if you have an image that's helping or supporting the question, all right, this cat obviously does not. All right, so end of game, you get a podium. So I normally reward the top 3 with some sort of piece of candy or something like that. I mean, healthy treat because, you know, I'm very health conscious. Apple Jolly Ranchers are fruit, I believe. So first 3 will be here. Now, when I hit get results, it'll show me all of the rest of the players here. Now they're asked to give feedback on their screen. I'm going to go ahead and just give some feedback. And if I want to look at the feedback from students about how they liked it, okay, positive response on learning, they feel good about it, and they recommend this to other people, all right? You can save the results if you want to do like a pre and post test and see how they've grown. You can play it again, or you can start a new game, all right? So that's Kahoot. It's, like I said, pretty easy. I like using it just because it gets the kids in a competitive frame of mind, and they want to know the answers, unlike when they take a test. For the ISTE standards, I would put this under the ISTE standard of educator, and then designer, and probably do designer A, using technology to create, adapt, personalized experience, and foster independent learning and accommodate learner differences and needs. This is something that is accessible to everybody. You can, let's say you have a supported class, you can extend the times on the quiz. So they're getting the same content, they just have more time to work through it. They're still going to benefit from that. I've really enjoyed using this program, and I hope to use it a lot more in the future. Look for my next video. I'll be posting it up here soon, and thank you for watching.